Last month we had a special occasion and we really wanted to spend some quality family time, but somewhere close to Pune or just in Pune. We were looking for a property that actually feels good, nice atmosphere, good ambience, and of course, good food. With all these expectations in mind, our search finally ended at Toyam by Orchid Hotels. We had actually booked it almost a month in advance because we were traveling with our 7-month-old baby and we didn't want to go too far from the city. So here we go, Toyam by Orchid Hotels. It's located in Varve village near Bhor, around 20 to 25 kilometers from Pune, and this video is all about our experience. As you enter the property, the first thing you notice on the right side is this beautiful lake. Toyam is actually a lakeside wellness resort, so the whole vibe is very calm and relaxing. This is the actual entrance, and as soon as you walk in, you'll see so many aesthetic little corners everywhere. At the left here is the reception area. Such a cool aesthetic vibe, right? And just in front of this reception area, they have their restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Sattva. This is how they welcome their guests here. They come with a thali that has a little diya in it and they apply kumkum tilak on your forehead and welcome you inside. This restaurant is multi-cuisine restaurant, and from here you actually get a nice view of the lake while you eat. So let's go. I'll show you how to get down to the lake from the restaurant. So this pathway takes you straight down to the lake. Look at this. Can you believe you are in Pune? We can actually see the ducks roaming around. Now it's time to go to our room, so let's go. So you go down this staircase that actually feels like the steps of a fort. Since Toyam is a Maharashtrian themed resort, so these stairs really give you that fort-like vibe, as if you're climbing fort in Maharashtra. Our room type was called Prithvi. They actually have different categories like Prithvi, Jal, Vayu, and each one comes with a different kind of view. Since we were traveling with our family, including my in-laws, we had booked 2 rooms. The one you're seeing here is on the lower level and our room was just right above this one. This room has a stone-style interior, a nice balcony, and from here you get a clear view of the swimming pool. The room is quite big with spacious bathroom as well. They have provided all the basic amenities like hair dryer, shampoo, toiletries. Now it's time to go to our room. Just next to this room there is a staircase. We had to climb down those stairs to come here. But before that, just look at this view from the staircase. It's so pretty. Now let's enter our room. As you walk in, you'll notice there are almost no solid walls. Everything is a glass. It literally feels like you're staying inside a jungle. You have beautiful balcony with lake view plus swimming pool view. And on the right side also there is a full glass panel, so you can see the entire jungle area from there as well. And here you have the wardrobe and a big mirror. This is how the bed is set up, so cozy and honestly feels quite luxurious. Every corner in this room is thoughtfully done. And this is the washroom. The bathroom is also really nice and quite spacious. Now it was finally time for lunch, so we kept our all luggage in the room, freshened up a bit, and headed straight to the restaurant. Here we are, just waiting for our food to arrive. Super hungry at this point. The restaurant itself gives a very different, almost beachy vibe. It doesn't feel like you are near Pune at all. We ordered our food, and to our surprise, the taste was actually really good. The only issue was that the service was a bit slow, but honestly, it wasn't a big problem for us. After we finished our lunch, we headed back to the lake area to just sit, relax, and enjoy the view. And just in the lawn, I fed my kid, and she was really happy at that point. They have water sports and boating options at the lake as well, which is really fun if you're in the mood for some activity. Now let me show you the resort properly. This is a small bridge, and from here you can get full view of the property. You can even see that they have rooms built right over the water, kind of like water villas. As you go up, you'll see different room types like gel, vayu, and in the middle of all these rooms, there's this beautiful common area. I absolutely loved this spot. It was so green, so fresh, and honestly one of my favorite corners of the resort. On the topmost level, there is a room category called Akash. So the concept is, it starts with Prithvi, that is earth, then Jal, then Vayu, and finally on the top, it's Akash, that is sky. I really like this whole theme. Let's have another look at the lake. And here is another look at the swimming pool area. After that, we visited the spa called Ayurvedam, but it wasn't operational at that time. They had specific timings and we didn't end up booking anything. In the evening, we had our tea in our room itself, sitting by the balcony. And this is how it looked when it was night. You can clearly see the swimming pool and the darkness. It was quite scary actually. The room in the night, and we went down for our dinner. We were so tired that we just slept in minutes. In the morning, this was the view from the room. So after we freshen up in the morning, we went for buffet breakfast, and they have so many options available: fruits, salads, veg, non-veg. They have this detox juice as well. They had vada pav, parathas, poha, uttappa, tea, coffee, dosa, juices, and everything. We had our breakfast, then we again had a tour to the entire resort, and then we packed our bags and said goodbye to this beautiful resort. It was genuinely really good experience. We would definitely love to go again there. Only one thing that wasn't good was the food service in the restaurant. Otherwise, this place gets like 9 out of 10 from me. So guys, if you're planning to visit, you should definitely go there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.